Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basic. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to view the documents on Red Dead Redemption 2. So to view your document, at first you must open your satchel. So to open your satchel, all you have to do is just press V on your keyboard. Then this satchel menu pops up on your screen and you have to find the document section. But I'm going to make it easy for you because the document section will be at the last section. Either you can just click it or switch it with Q or E. So after you found the document section, here are the documents you can use, and to use it, just hit enter or click it with your mouse. So guys, that's how you view the documents on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.